Hey, good morning. Happy Thursday to everybody. Let's go through our weekly schedule. Again, I'm in this week's folder, brand new folder. I'm going to open up the 17th to the 22nd. The first thing I would like you to do is to take this document and upload it into Notability, and please use it as a checklist. Today on Thursday, we are going to be finishing up your culture reading from Tuesday. If you are done with that, today is a day that you can catch up on any missing progress checks, the physical map, and your climate progress check. As of right now, I'm looking at the grades, and there's still a lot of maps not uploaded, so please do that. Friday, you are going to start looking at island culture. All right. From that reading that you did, you are going to be choosing 4 of those elements to write about and apply to your island and put your voice into that. So, Friday, there's a video to watch on that. All right. If you're in class on Friday, I will walk you through that as well. And remember, I am opening Zoom up to everybody. Monday and Tuesday of next week, you'll continue with your island culture as well, working on those both days. And then winter break starts on Wednesday, so you do not have any school next Wednesday. A wonderful week, and just remember, you can join Zoom on any day you would like.